Hello everybody, join me in the beautiful Conwy. It's really nice here. So, this is the station, surrounded by the big city walls, town walls. That's a railway bridge, by the way. Lovely shelter. A few spaces in the car park. Imagine there's more down here. And here we are. Brings you straight out onto the station platforms. It's a little really old tickets up there. It's a shelter there. Shelter with some CFW style graffiti. That's nice. And here is the platform. It's a very small platform, very small. And wow, yeah, that is amazing. That. This is the Cardiff bound platform, and for Llandudno Chester. I just realised you can't get over, so I have to go back over the road bridge. Beautiful Bank of Conwy building there. That looks amazing. I think it's a restaurant now though, not an actual bank. Here is the entrance to the Holyhead bound trains down this lovely coloured stairs. I believe it is step free, but obviously not this way. At the other end of this platform has a step free entrance. Here we are, revealing that lovely bridge again. We've got another one of them lovely shelters. Don't risk it. Wow, yeah, this station is amazing. Here's Conwy after dark. Just in addition to my other video already here. Now it's going to cut back to daytime right now. Well, as my train arrives, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video here at Conwy. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you very, very soon in the next video. Until then, it's bye-bye for now from me. Cheers guys.